Good morning. I'm Coach Jackson, and I'm going to read you today another Elephant and Piggie book. This one is called Pigs Make Me Sneeze. These all are by Mo Willems, who used to write for Sesame Street. Here on the front is Gerald, the elephant, and soon inside we're going to meet his friend Piggie. Hey, Gerald, how are you? Piggie says. Man, Gerald's happy to see Piggie. What do you want to do today? I want to, Yes, says Piggie. What? Achoo! A ball? A swim? A hat? Piggie asks. Achoo! Sniff. Are you okay? Piggie asked Gerald. I do not know. Achoo! I can't stop. Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no! Gerald says. What? What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Piggie says. Sorry, Gerald said. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I can't be near you, Piggie. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. Sad Gerald, sad Piggie. But Gerald, Piggie tries to ask Gerald. No, don't speak, Gerald says back. It is too late. I'm gonna sneeze! Chew! Goodbye, Piggie. Gerald, where are you going? Gerald is going now to see the cat doctor. Are you okay, Gerald? The cat doctor asks. No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. pigs make me sneeze. And Piggie, my best friend, is a pig. Piggie is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Thud. I do not think that the pigs make you sneeze. I do not think that cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold, Gerald, cat doctor said. A cold? Gerald called back. Yes, you are sick, Gerald. I'm sick! Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggie! Piggie! Great news! Cat doctor's a little bit stunned about all this. I have a cold, Gerald called out. Well, good for you, Piggie says back as he's covered in Kleenex. And as we can tell, Gerald has a cold and gave it to Piggie. This is another one of Mo Willems' books, Pigs Make Me Sneeze. It's another Elephant and Piggie book. Have a great day. Bye, everybody.